Automatic broadband and mobile price hikes may become a thing of the past as the government gets ready to introduce a law that would allow people to cancel their contracts if prices go up. The law, to be introduced by Communications Minister Patrick O'Donovan, will let people avoid so-called in-contract Consumer Price Index, or ICPI, price rises that broadband and mobile providers like Air, Vodafone and Three now include as mandatory in their 12-month or 24-month contracts. Under the new government plan, customers will be allowed to cancel their contract and take up a rival's promotional offer even if they're still in the middle of their 12-month or 24-month contract. The move is expected to be opposed by telecoms firms here, but the government is said to argue that it had considered banning the in-contract price rises altogether and that broadband and mobile providers are getting a less drastic option. For more, read the Irish Independent.